Hello. Hello. Now mark your attendance. Okay, then now start the class of the power plant. Okay, you already discussed in previous class. Okay, in 2011 global CO2 emission, this is already discussed. In China, 28%, US is 16%, EU is 13%. Okay, India and 6%, Russia 6%, and Japan is 4%. Other countries is a total 30%. Okay. Then now start. So what is the greenhouse gases and climate change? Anyone can define greenhouse gas and climate change? Okay. How to change the climate? Anyone can define? What is first to define climate change? And one is different climate change from the global warming. Okay. Anyone define can? The climate change includes both global warming driven by human-induced emission of greenhouse gases and the resulting large-scale shifts in the weather patterns. Okay, this is the climate change. How does the climate change depend on the which type of the pollution? Anyone? Hmm? The largest driver of warming in the emission of gases that create a greenhouse effect. Okay, of which more than 90% are carbon dioxide CO2. Okay, methane, fossil fuel burning such as coal, oil, and natural gas. Due to these parts, further change the climate. Okay, and the for energy consumption is the main source of these emissions, with additional contribution from agriculture, deforestation, and manufacturing. Okay, the human cause of climate change is not disputed by any scientific body of nation or international standing. Okay, due to this, the temperature rise is related to temperature by the climate feedback, such as loss of sunlight reflecting, snow and ice cover. Your water vapor, a greenhouse gas itself will change out to land and ocean carbon sink. Okay, so this is the reason of the, and this is, and see in this figure. Okay, solar radiation absorbed by Earth. Okay, you see in the image in this part. Okay, in this part is the solar radiation absorbed by the Earth and is CO2 infection facilities. Okay, onshore injection. The onshore injection, the Earth lands, ocean surface, okay, CO2 as storage, underground aquifer. Okay, the atmosphere and Earth surface. Current greenhouse gas levels are causing. Okay, current greenhouse. And both are the same is offshore injection. Okay, the offshore injection from this part. Okay, and this absorbs CO2 injection facilities. And is the large CO2 emission the source facilities. So this is the flow chart of the greenhouse gases. Yeah, global warming. Okay. Due to climate, we can easily eliminate CO2 production and calculate CO2 produced by individual. Okay. Which terminology used in this global warming, climate change, observed temperature rise? Futures warming and the carbon budget impacts, response, mitigation, and adaptation. This is all are under the greenhouse gas and climate change. Okay. Suppose how to use the future warming and the global carbon budget. The future warming depend on the strength of climate feedback and the emission of greenhouse gas. Okay. The former are often estimated using various climate models developed by multiple scientific institutions. Okay, this type of climate model created by a scientific institution. The model include change the Earth's orbit, historical change in the sun's model attempts to reproduce predict the circulating of the ocean. Okay, then now this is the compute model attempt reduce, reproduce and predict the circulation of the ocean. The annual cycle of the season and the flow of carbon between the land surface and atmosphere due to this region to change the climate. Okay, these are reduce the can reduce eliminate CO2 as calculate CO2 produced by the individual person. Okay. The physical reality of model is tested by the examining their ability to simulate contemporary or past climates. Past model have understand the rate of the Arctic shrinkage. Okay. The subject of climate model and social factors to the simple physical climate model. How the impact? Impact is physical environment. Okay, impact to the climate change and the environment. Okay, the environment effect of climate change are broad and far-reaching, affecting ocean, ice, and weather. Okay, change may occur gradually or rapidly. Evidence for these effects comes from studying climate change in the past. Okay, so this is problem of CO2. There is the thermal pollution. What is the thermal pollution? Anyone can? This thermal pollution from कहाँ से होता है थर्मल पॉल्यूशन कोई बताएगा so thermal pollution is the discharge of heated water into body of water Okay. What is the thermal pollution? Sometimes called thermal enhancement, the degradation of water quality by the process of change ambient air water temperature. The how to change the temperature? Hmm? Anyone? How to change the temperature? A common cause thermal pollution is use of water or a coolant by power plant. Suppose this is your power plant. This is our power plant. Okay. Industrial manufacture when water use a coolant in return to the natural environment at higher temperature. Suppose after using the boiler, water in boiler, then for recycling process, heated water in the uh, receiving from the any types of reservoir. This is the type of thermal pollution. Okay, this type of pollution. Okay, this is the thermal pollution. The thermal shocks, warm, coolant water can also have long-term effect on the water temperature. This due to the heat of water from the boiler. This type of the pollution created by the artificial. Okay, due to some network issues. Okay, they know the what is thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is the harmful increase in water temperature in stream, rivers, lake, or occasionally coastal ocean water. This is the introduction of the thermal pollution. It is degradation of water quality by any process that changes ambient water temperature. So how to change the ambient water temperature? At temperature increase small of 1 to 2 degrees Celsius, about 2 to 4 5 degree can kill native fish, shellfish, and plants or driven them out in the favor of other species after the undesirable effect. The source and control of thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is still waste. This is the heated water from a source may be controlled with cooling ponds. Okay, this is the cooling ponds, man-made bodies of water designed for cooling by evaporation, convection, and radiation. Okay, and the cooling tower is transfer waste heat to the cooling tower is the main part of the thermal power plant. Today, water recycled. This is a cooling tower. Suppose you see the cooling tower. कोई देखा है cooling tower? Cooling tower is the length. There are two types of cooling tower used in two type of cooling tower. Suppose they see the screen. Okay. Suppose you made the power plant is the main part of cooling tower. Okay. Cooling tower. The cooling tower are two types. This is the natural cooling tower. And second cooling tower is the induced draft. Induced draft cooling tower. So what is the difference between the natural and induced draft cooling tower? You see, तुमने देखा है कभी cooling tower induced and natural? Anyone? The natural cooling tower shape is the vessel's cone shape. Means ओके, तो जो हमारा कूलिंग टावर है, विच टाइप ऑफ कूलिंग सी इन द नेचुरल ड्राफ्ट, नेचुरल कूलिंग टावर, the natural cooling tower C, this vessel types, okay, this type of natural, and the induced draft cooling tower have the 12 ID fan. Okay, suppose 12 ID fan, this type of fan of a cooling tower. Okay, just like in top. So this is dimension of the cooling tower. This is the length 180 meter. Okay, and width is the 17.8 meter. Okay, and the height is the 10 meter. Okay, height of the induced draft cooling tower, height of the 10 meter, and the length is the 180 meter, and the width is 17.8 meter. This is the induced draft cooling tower. This type of cooling tower is used in the thermal power plant for the purpose of cool the water from the receiving water from the boiler. Okay, so boiler send the water to 53-56 degrees Celsius, and from the cooling tower output from the cooling tower is the 22 degrees Celsius water transfer from the cooling tower. Okay, this is the part of the thermal power plant. So this is comes under the WTP area. WTP area means water treatment plant. This is the plant of WTP area. Okay, this is the introduction part. Okay, then now is causes. Okay, then now the causes the major source of thermal pollution are discharge of heated water, hot water material into water bodies from the causes from the nuclear. The major source of thermal pollution are discharge of heated water. Okay, or hot waste material into water bodies from. This is the nuclear power plant. So first, what is the nuclear power plant? एनीवन? कोई बोलते नहीं हो. व्हाट इज न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट? Industrial effluent, domestic sewage, hydroelectric power, coal fixed power plants, and thermal stop and other causes deforestation and soil erosion. The nuclear power plant. A thermal power station is the thermal power station in which the heated source is a nuclear reactor. As is typical of thermal power station, heated is used to generate a steam that derives a steam turbine connected to a generator that produces electricity. Okay, so this is the nuclear power plant. Which type of plant you see, anyone? What are the industrial effluents? The basic components of nuclear power plants. कोई बताएगा basic component क्या क्या होता है? The first is the basic component of nuclear power plant. Suppose fuel handling. Okay, the nuclear power plant is the first is the fuel handling. Fuel handling. So fuel handling is have the many parts. Okay, this first part is the red water system. Red water system. Okay, and second is the refueling floor. Okay, and third is the spent fuel pool. A spent fuel pool. And fourth, online refueling machine. Okay. And the second one is the power generation. Is a part of the nuclear power plant. Is the second option is the क्या होगा? Power generation. ठीक है, तो power जैसे part have the condenser, cooling tower, just discuss condenser, cooling tower, okay, electrical generator, and a steam turbine. This is the part of the is a basic component of nuclear power plant. Then is a reactors assembling. Okay. The first two, fuel handling, power generation. Okay. Here's the all things. And next one is the reactor assembly. Okay. Second, third is the part of the power plant. Okay, nuclear power plant. This is the reactor assembly. the reactor assembly. Okay. नेटवर्क बहुत इश्यू हो गया. Reactor assemblies many have many parts. Means first parts is the control rod drives. Control rod drives, and second one is the instrumentation such as ion chamber. Instrumentation part, that is ion chamber. This is a control rod. Coolant. Okay. A neutron baptizer. Neutron baptizer. Okay. And next one is the nuclear fuel. Okay, and reactor pressure vessel. Reactor pressure vessel. Okay, so this is the part of the reactor assembly. Okay, and then now the diagrammatic representation of the thermal pollution. This is the diagrammatic representation, how to represent the thermal pollution. Okay, this is thermal power plant. Okay, is showing the pipe from the pipe drain in the river, the all the effluent, industrial effluent. Okay, showing that is you already industrial effluent, domestic sewage. The industrial effluent itself from the outlet without treatment in the river. Okay, now this is the which type of source. There are two types of source. First, this directly enter in the river. Okay, which type of source called is a point source. Point source. And non-point source, how to visible? This is the non-point, this is the non-point. So all are the speed bound, this is here, all flows here. This is the non-point, so this is the point with this. Okay, this is the thermal pollution diagrammatic representation of the thermal pollution. Okay, this is the this is a altered food wave. Okay, diagrams the fish population and the low dissolved oxygen. Is the trees. Okay, there is a thermal plant. There is smoke directly emitted in the atmosphere. Okay, this is the primary air pollutant. primary air pollutant. This is the directly emitted in the atmosphere. Okay.